Hello, you are welcome to Lessons in Sign Language. This time we are going to learn about times and then greetings. So we are learning about times and greetings. So we will start with how we will sign time. This is how we sign time. Time. The X hand form on the wrist. Time. Second. Second. So this is how we sign second. So note how you sign second. And this is minutes. Minutes. Then we have hour, the H hand form. Hour. Hour. Okay. Then we sign a day. 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 Move on to week. 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 So week. Week. Then we sign month. 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 Then we do year. S hand form, you circle it and then you hit it on the non-dominant hand to form year. Year. Move on to morning. So this is how you sign morning. 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 Then afternoon. Afternoon. Then we have evening. So evening, and then night. Night. So if you want to greet somebody, you add good. So this is the sign good. The flat hand form from the lip to the palm of the non-dominant hand to form good. So good, then you add your morning. Good, you add your afternoon. Good, you add your evening. Or good, you add your night. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.